In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop saving screenshots to OneDrive automatically. If your screenshots keep getting uploaded to OneDrive without you meaning to, this is usually happening because picture backup is turned on inside OneDrive settings. The good news is that it only takes a moment to change, and once you turn this setting off, your screenshots will stop syncing there automatically. To begin, look down at the taskbar on your Windows computer and find the OneDrive cloud icon. Click that icon to open the OneDrive panel. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden in the small system tray area, so you may need to click the arrow that shows hidden icons first. Once the OneDrive panel is open, you're in the right place to adjust how your files and folders are being backed up. Next, click the settings icon. This is the small gear icon inside the OneDrive panel. Clicking it will open the menu where OneDrive keeps its preferences and backup options. This is where you control what gets synced to the cloud and what stays only on your device. From there, go to Sync and Backup. This section contains the main controls related to how OneDrive handles your folders, photos, and other content. If screenshots are being saved automatically, the setting responsible is connected to your picture backup preferences, so this is the area you need. Now click Manage Backup. This opens the backup management screen where you can see which folders OneDrive is currently protecting. In many cases, the Pictures folder is included here, and that can cause screenshots to be uploaded automatically, especially if your system saves screenshots into that folder. At this point, turn off Pictures. This tells OneDrive to stop backing up the Pictures folder, which also stops the automatic saving of screenshots there through OneDrive. Be aware that this only changes the backup behavior in OneDrive. Your screenshots can still be saved locally on your computer, depending on how you capture them and where your system is set to store them. Finally, confirm your choice. OneDrive may ask you to verify that you really want to stop backing up the Pictures folder. Go ahead and confirm it to apply the change, and that's it. Once the setting is updated, OneDrive should no longer automatically save your screenshots. If you still notice screenshots appearing there afterward, give OneDrive a moment to refresh or reopen the settings to make sure the Pictures backup is fully turned off.